Alright, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Here I am in Old Montreal. And this is elevator 31, I think it is, the old concrete elevator. And here is the steam tug. Daniel McAllister. Classic 1930s steam tug. When you think of tugboats, this is what every port had. And of course now it's faded, but this is really cool. I don't think I've ever taken a picture of this, taken a little video of this. And every now and then I do some ships, so this is a good one to do. And since I'm down here with Elton, I don't know where he went. There's the little boat there, the lifeboat, just in case this thing did take a Titanic, I guess. There's the modernized funnel, so that you know it's been dieselized. Even with the tires on the side there for when it would hit ships and push them. There's the wheelhouse. I would love to be able to go inside it. And there's the front view. I just want another side view of here, of the ship moored up here in the old canal, what used to be such an industrial zone. Yeah, of course, is the bridge where I've taken some train videos at various times. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal, and maybe I'll see some more ships at some point. Have a good day.